everyone.
Hi everyone. There's a request on Forex Factory to demonstrate how to use the Intermarket self-similarity.
I've got my own pair of Lucky Socks, so maybe it does work.
It's pretty straightforward and simple.
Fan like a pro.
Show you what's up.
NFLshop.com.
So I have Euro USD 60-minute 1 hour bars here.
The best 5G network in
last
America.
week.
There's only one
Tonight
best.
is Sunday, November 16, right here. So this is right up to the minute. And first click Intermarket right here on the right.
Kansas
And
City
then click
receives
the
the
button
second
that
half kick.
says self.
After this
So
message,
what we're trying to do
and a
is
word
find
from your local station.
the most similar periods
New CBS Friday.
in the past for this
The
Euro
number one
USD.
new show of the season is on CBS.
Okay, then click this little target button next to History Lab.
I believe
Find the best,
From the moment I stepped
and
into this
what we
scene.
want to do is find the
is
most
all new
similar
CBS Friday
historical
10/9
period in
Central
the
and
past.
streaming on Paramount Plus.
The unusual
So now it's
sport of chess
calculating,
boxing.
and then
60 Minutes, new CBS tonight.
right here under lag 0 are the starting with the most similar, the top one here.
Get 1.99% APR for 60
It's
months
a
on
nice
select
idea
Genesis
to
vehicles.
put up an
Exclusively at your
average of
tri-state
3.
Genesis retailers.
So this button under the final button is the duplicate button. So you click that, and then go to the next one down on the list, and duplicate that. So we have 3.
No more
And
points.
what we want to do is
All customers get a profit boost every NFL game day.
click composite.
Got eyelid itching and crusties that
And
won't
it's
go
kind
away?
of a jumpy line,
It could
so
be.
the next thing to do is click target, smooth. I like the value of 15.
With one drop in each eye twice a day, you can kill the mites in just 6 weeks.
that.
Don't touch the tip of the bottle to your eye or any surface to minimize contamination. Wait 15
So
minutes before
that's
inserting
it.
contact lenses. The most common side effects are stinging
This
and burning
line
in 1
is
out
a
of 10
composite
patients.
of
It's not you,
May
it's
22nd,
Demodex mites.
April 22nd, April 12th.
Find something
you can see that
extraordinary
right here.
at the Genesis Signature event. Get 1.99% APR for 60 months on
Price went
select
up
Genesis
nicely.
vehicles.
Caught
Exclusively at your tri-state Genesis retailers.
Swing.
What else
So
are you going to do at 4:30 in the morning, Mike?
looking
Get
at
up,
the
watch
week
television.
coming up,
Let's
it
go.
looks like not a lot of price action up in
Highlights presented
but we'll
by
find out.
Steve Fogg.
It's just one thing that I use to look at the prediction line, which is sometimes helpful. Everything is astrocycles here. And because,
Chiefs about to receive the third quarter kick.
well, I'm not going to go into an
6-6.
astrocycle tutorial
Defensive
at this
battle
point.
it is.
So we'll
Tony,
leave
what are
it
you
at
looking
that.
for here in the second half?
That's it. Take care.
It's been a